Hi everyone, welcome back again to YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Guys, today I'm going to unboxing this laptop battery and also install this laptop battery in this HP 840Z2 laptop. Hope you enjoy this video. So let's start the video. So friends, first I'm going to unboxing this battery. This is the Lab Power company battery and this is capable notebook battery. Guys, this one is internal battery. Here's some information about this battery: rechargeable, lithium ion replacement battery, no memory effect, and environment friendly. At the back side, some battery safety information. Also an important note: battery is not charged, must be charged before use. So before use, first time user must need to charge this battery fully and then user can use it. So now I'm going to open this box. Okay, here's some foam for battery safety. And here is the battery. It's sealed. I keep this side. Inside the packet, one card. This is written in Chinese, so I don't know what is this. Another paper. Friend, I buy this battery from my local shop. If you want to buy this battery from AliExpress, then you will find this product link in this video description. So this is the instruction manual paper of this battery. This is written in English, Chinese and other languages. So now I'm going to open the battery. Okay, I cut the seal. Okay, here is the battery. This side, here you can see Lab Power CM03 notebook battery. Also one warning, both English and Chinese language. One barcode. Now I'm going to open my laptop back part and remove my old damaged battery. Here is the battery, is totally damaged. Now for remove this battery, I need to unlock this lock and also this lock. If I show you closer, just unlock this first, then also unlock this. Okay, here is the battery. If I show you the battery, this battery damaged totally. Here you can see this battery also going to flat. If I show you side by side, here you can see the old one little bit flat and cracked. So now I'm going to install this new one battery in my laptop. Just place the battery in this way and unlock this lock and press a little bit. Also lock this. Okay, now it's attached perfectly. Okay friends, now first I'm going to fully charge this battery, then I'll show you every details of this battery on my laptop screen, like battery uses, capacity, uses history and so on. Okay guys, now my battery fully charged. Here you can see white light now turn on, that's mean the battery charged fully. Now I'm going to turn on my laptop and also show you my new battery report. Guys, which way I'm showing you now, this way you can know your laptop battery report. This way work for any laptop. Friend, first I like to show you my battery percentage. Okay, here you can see it's 100%. Now if I disconnect my charger, here you can see okay, here you can see it's 100%. Okay, now to see the battery report, first go to your laptop start menu, then type power. After that you will see Windows PowerShell. Click on it. Then you will see this blue command page. Now type this command on this command page which you see on this screen and press enter. After that you will see this line, just go to this path. After that you will see this type of battery report HTML file. Open it, and here you can see battery report is showing. Here you can see my computer name, system product name, BIOS and other information is showing. Also install battery information is showing. Which battery yesterday I installed, its capacity is showing. It's 49,950 mWh. Also recent battery uses is showing here. Here is the battery usage graph is showing. Battery usage start and duration is showing here. Here is the usage history. Here is the battery capacity history. And finally battery life estimate are showing here. Friend, I installed a new battery, that's why some information is not showing here. After 1 or 2 weeks use this battery, I will see every details of this battery here. So I hope now you can change and install your HP Z series laptop internal battery. Besides this, I hope you like this video. If you are, please click on the like button, subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.